Hey guys, Al Strader here with Northern Boys Outfitting TV. This time of year it's kind of slow. Ice is starting to melt out, not really anything open to hunt. So what we like to do is kind of get our gear ready for the season, kind of go through some stuff, throw out some old stuff that's left in bags and clean up some of our gear and just make sure everything's working good for when it comes to hunting season. One of the most important pieces of gear we have is our portable winch. We always have it with us and it's always on hand. Whether we get our animal down or we have problems with our vehicle and we need to get out of a situation, it's always ready for us. So today I'm going to talk to you guys a bit about the portable winch. I'm going to go through some details with you guys and let you know the options so when you buy your portable winch, you know exactly what you're getting. The portable winch you guys usually see us using on MBO TV is a PCW 3000. It's a 35cc all-position 4-stroke Honda engine. Built strong. This is Portable Winch's lightest winch. Weighing in at 21 pounds, this little guy has a 200-to-1 gear ratio that pulls over 1,500 pounds, which is why it makes it a hunter's best friend. The drum on the PCW 3000 holds 10mm double-braided polyester low-stretch rope, any length you want. What's nice about this guy is even if you're pulling something that's way too heavy for the winch, instead of it messing up or stripping gears, it just shuts off. So it's a really good fail-safe for your motor. Portable Winch has a lot of accessories on their website. You can go there, check it out. You can buy the unit, just the unit, and you can buy whatever accessories you think you're going to need for the field. The kit that MBO TV uses is their hunting kit. It comes with the PCW 3000. It comes with a molded transport case with backpack straps so you can carry it where you need it, a vinyl rope bag, 10mm 50-meter double braided polyester low stretch rope. It comes with their 2 3/8 by 78-inch long sling. It comes with locking carabiner and a stainless steel side snatch block. That way there you can use any of these units to get whatever you need out of the woods. Well, there you go. That's the portable winch setup that MBO TV uses when we go out into the woods. So we know no matter what we have, what situation, we got it under control. Please check out their website and hopefully this helped you guys with deciding to purchase your own portable winch.